Finish 2024 strong. 1. Lead generation focus. Ramp up your prospecting efforts by 25 to 50% during the final months of the year to set the stage for a successful start to 2025. The deals you put into escrow now will pay off in February and March. Don't buy into the misconception that buyers and sellers are too busy with the holidays. This is prime time to find motivated clients. Buyers. Many new buyers are visiting family for the holidays and may decide to relocate to the area. Sellers. This is a perfect time to list a property, as serious buyers are still looking. I'm committed to working hard to help you achieve your real estate goals. Whether it's showing a house or writing a contract on New Year's Day, I'll do whatever it takes to secure the best deal for you. 2. Market category expansion. Instead of expanding your geographic reach, focus on targeting various lead types within your existing market. This approach saves time and increases efficiency. Use tools like Lead Cruncher to identify high potential sellers, such as those behind on payments, handling probate cases, or dealing with other life events prompting a sale. Upload your data to find properties matching multiple criteria and stack records for better results. Watch for my next video, where I'll dive deeper into the strategy and share practical tips. 3. Diversify lead generation techniques. Expanding your methods to generate leads will help you tap into a broader audience. Traditional methods, cold calling, direct mail, and skip tracing for phones/email addresses. Modern methods, social media marketing and online advertising. Here's a simple example script to stay top of mind with your network. Hi, this is Amanda. I hope you're doing well. Just a quick note to let you know I'm still active in real estate. Please keep me in mind for any real estate conversations or referrals. I always appreciate your support. 4. Efficient lead management. Focus your time on high-quality leads while streamlining follow-ups to maximize productivity. Regularly cleaning and organizing your database can help. Use Lead Cruncher's owner verifier to scrub your leads. Add unique IDs to make sorting easier and ensure consistency across your database. Export your phone contacts and reach out monthly for referrals. This proactive communication builds relationships and opens doors to new opportunities. Consider adding a personal touch with seasonal greetings or ringless voicemails, RVMs, to maintain connections and foster goodwill. 5. Maintain consistent communication. Keeping in touch with your network is essential for staying top of mind. Send seasonal greetings or personalized updates. Use tools like RVMs for quick, non-intrusive communication. There you have it, 5 actionable tips to help you finish 2024 on a high note. If you have questions, feel free to call us. Our number is on the homepage, or schedule a one-on-one online session. For more valuable insights, subscribe to my channel for similar content. Thanks for watching, and here's to a strong finish to the year.